So basically, till this point of time, we find it out that okay, corona attack is there. There is a social distancing and a worry of a health, and there is a worry of our post developments, how the developments will be taken up post coronavirus attacks. There is always a worry of our growth, how to sustain the business. So all these things I have seen at a macro level and find it out. The world's most hittest country is US, and they are having a -8% to -13% is a range of GDP negative growth for at least 1.5 or years. Then there is a positive sign right over there. So I just break up this overall period into the three parts. That's what is my first solution, which is creating a lot of positivity. You cannot reach to destination. You have to drop down a milestones in between. So to the reach of the new journey, new basically destination of a new way of working, I have bifurcated into 0 to 6 months, 6 to 24 months, and greater than 24 months. In the 0 to 6 months, you have to solve it out your immediate issues. If you solve it out these immediate issues, trust me, you people win the half of the race. Means you again back to the normal. Whether you are growing like the previous one, answer may be yes, answer may be no, but at least you will be at a normal stage. First, think of this milestone and do 100% of whatever you want to do for this to bring down to the normal in 0 to 6 months. And then start thinking of length and depth of the disruption, which is very important. Today, all the leaders, all the peoples want to understand this, how is the length and basically the depth of this disruption is. And once it is there, once you understand this, then there is a emergence of a new macro environment. And by the time you will recover your internal strengths and you have reshaped up your micro environment and you are in a position to take a new stance, right? New SWOT analysis, right, in your macro environment, and which is I'm just taking care in the next slides. So how to solve it out your immediate solution that I have gone through. There are basically 6 steps. First, protect your employees, because organizations means people, process, and technology. Without people, process cannot work. Without technology, without people, technology cannot be implemented, right? Because there are some brains who need somewhere to, maybe the scale of the people is on the lower side, but people is the key aspects under the three elements of people, process, and technology. Second is set up cross-functional teams, and third, test of your liquidity. By this time, your liquidity for the next 6 months is really a challenge, and everybody knows. Every country is working in this direction, and India is also looking for how to come up with these things. Sorry to say, India is not in the right position for a quantitative easing because of balance sheet issues of RBI, but they are in a right position to bring most of the money across the world to your country. So that's what is I see post 6 months. There is a lot of opportunities of merger and acquisitions where people want to put the money in this country. You recently see Facebook has taking a stake of 9.9% in the Reliance, and today I saw the Reliance has a 10% basically hike in the market. So you will see people believe in India. That's my point number 5 is I have some video, maybe at a later stage if I have got some time. I will show you 2 videos how the technology will perform in India, right? Or maybe after the session, if somebody has a time, and then they will can see those videos that people are more and more bullish. Japan has already given a mandate to transfer shifting their manufacturing plant to India. Germany is also thinking in that direction, and more Americans are looking for taking stake in Indian companies, and most private equities, sovereign funds, pension funds will deploy the money. So you have to just wait for a while. You have to just consolidate yourself for the next 6 months. So step three is test for liquidity, bring stability in your supply chain. Because the most hurted basic function as of now is the supply chain, and talk closely to your customer. Likewise, you are in uncertainty, same way your customer is in uncertainty. And customer needs always value for their money. And if you not providing a value for money, they have always switched their moods. So my request is, by this session, I am giving you positivity, and one of the most important aspect is consider your employee as an important element and consider your customer as an important element. All those things will be manageable, and then you can find it out your basically whether after 2 year basically 24 months how you can redefine your business strategy, who, what, and how of the business three arms you can redefine. Just on the right hand side, we are just talking about workforce protection, supply chain stabilization, customer engagement, financial stress testing, and nerve center integration. Nerve center integration is very, very key. The way we are outside the world, outside the, we don't have any organization, we don't have any trust on just thinking around that a lot of problems are emerging. We have created our nerve center. Same organization has to create your nerve center to just solve it out your immediate problem.